Hey, guess what, world? I got the greatest guys in Kona. Hey, who's the fastest cook?
Man in the pan.
Oh yeah, big shot of a man in the pan. Awesome. Welcome to the man and the pan. You know, I went to KTA and I found it beautiful ahi belly. So I'm gonna cook it several different ways. First, I have to clean it. You see the top part over here? I cut it. And you notice how the grain runs? So this part here, I take the bottom out and I'll make some real thin slice for sashimi. It's a little chewy, but a lot of fat. Look at all the fat in it. You gotta take out this underside. See where there's a lot of gristle. So you take it off, just like this. Okay? You're gonna throw it out the fire. And this part, just leave it on. Bottom side, I'm gonna make almost like a Nitsuke with this. And on the top side here, kind of like fry it. First, I'm going to show you how to make fried ahi belly. Put it on the fire, make it a little hot. Crack some egg, beat up the egg. It's a little salt on top, okay? A little bit garlic powder on. These are my panko. I'm adding some furikake. Okay, here you go. Make sure your oil is hot now, okay? So I coat it with flour. Okay, big wash. Put it all off. Roll them in the panko. Okay, the oil is hot now. So I fry this baga. Okay? Just like that. Done. Fried ahi belly. Now do a Nitsuke Ahi belly. Okay? We're gonna make a Nitsuke sauce for this, and it's so easy. Okay? And what I do is I put in some sugar, put in some shoyu, about a tablespoon of mirin, about a tablespoon of sake. Then in here, I grate some ginger. Okay. Then in here, I grate some daikon. I get some ginger, daikon, shoyu, sugar, mirin. You get ahi belly there. Garlic powder on. Just lightly dust flour on top. So then you fry both sides of the fish. Okay, when it's already cooked, you grab your sauce and spread it on. Okay? Just about done. Okay? There you go. Nitsuke Ahi. Man, everything looks so good, but let's see how it tastes. First I got the fried ahi with the sriracha sauce. Perfect. Wasabi sauce with my ahi belly. Oh, man. Okay, Nitsuke Ahi. Oh. The flavors, the daikon, the ginger. Man, this explodes in your mouth. Until next week, we'll see you on another Man and the Pan. Aloha.